Want to do business with the state of Florida or municipalities within the state? In this video, we are going to talk about how to get started in government contracting in the state of Florida. Of course, if you haven't started your business yet, I would suggest speaking with an attorney or CPA about starting your business. Or if you are more experienced, go register your business with sunbiz.org. File a business tax receipt with your county and city. And don't forget to establish a business bank account. Pause 3s. The benefits of government contracting with state and local government agencies are numerous. Firstly, it can significantly increase your revenue over the length of a contract. Pause 2s. Secondly, it enhances your business's credibility, making it more attractive to other potential clients. Pause 2s. Lastly, it increases the enterprise value of your business, which is particularly beneficial when it's time to sell your business. The first government contracting portal you need to register with is Florida's official procurement system, My Florida Marketplace, at vendor.myfloridamarketplace.com. Don't worry, all the links discussed in this video are listed in the video description below. You must complete a vendor profile and a business profile. But don't worry, it's not complicated or time-consuming. Just make sure your information is true and accurate. You might be wondering how you will compete against larger and more experienced businesses. The answer is small and disadvantaged business set-asides, which means the government must buy products and services from companies just like yours, who are certified as being woman-owned, minority-owned, veteran-owned, service-disabled veteran-owned, or other certified small business. You can quickly obtain one of these certifications from the My Florida Marketplace vendor information portal. If your business qualifies as a minority, veteran-owned, or disadvantaged business, get certified. Searching for opportunities can be overwhelming, but don't worry. There are plenty of training resources on My Florida Marketplace to get you started, and you will quickly master the search process with a little experience. One of the major aspects of any contract is the acceptance criteria clause, which outlines the standards that the goods or services provided by the supplier must meet to be considered acceptable. Writing winning proposals is not necessarily difficult, but you must be very careful about describing how you plan to meet the requirements defined in the bid's acceptance criteria. Local government contracting opportunities. Not all cities post opportunities on My Florida Marketplace, so be sure to also register at My Vendor Link, Go Bonfire, DemandStar, and OpenGov. Now, although it's not difficult to register and set search criteria for bid opportunities, it can be time-consuming to search for opportunities that you might want to bid on. But here's a secret. Make the opportunities come to you for free. You can register at each of these sites with your search criteria or NAICS codes, and they will send you notification emails when a new contract opportunity is posted. Google Alerts. This tip is a bonus that should have you very excited. Use Google Alerts to get news of any bids based on your precise criteria by simply using multi-phrase alert criteria. For example, you might create an alert named Melbourne Contract Opportunities with a set of quoted criteria like this: Contract Plus doing business with Plus City of Melbourne Plus FL. Set the notification time to, as it happens, for immediate notification. Submitting proposals. Just because you submit a proposal doesn't mean you've won it, but it is no longer in your hands, so keep looking for your next bid opportunity. You have to be thorough, competent, and experienced, but keep bidding. Ask the contracting manager questions and follow through. Thank you. If you found this video, or even the links in the description below, to be valuable, then like, comment, and share this content with others who may also be interested in local government contracting. Melbourne Business Advisors helps small business owners find success in growing your business and preparing you for a better exit.